أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My dear followers, good afternoon to everyone. In continuation of our lesson, today we will look at the difference between Arabic grammar and English grammar. In Arabic, if you said they, this they is third person, and if you want to translate they are student, you want to translate this they, so is two in Arabic, either male or female. You said hunna, you are referring to female, and whom you are referring to male. There is many students. Example, they are student. If you want to translate this a short sentence, you said in Arabic, if you want to translate it, you say hunna talibatun, they are student, and you are referring to female. For the male, you say hum tullabun, many student boys. So these are the difference between Arabic and English in translation. They, hunna, and home. Hope we are getting it. And